Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm going to show you a delicious snack for your tea time. Coffee walnut biscotti. These biscottis are loaded with crunchy walnuts with a hint of coffee flavor. The good thing is they are made with whole wheat flour, they are refined sugar free and they are eggless and vegan as well. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll grind some flax seeds to make flaxseed powder. We'll use this flaxseed powder to make flax gel, which is going to work as an egg replacement in this recipe. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of this flaxseed powder in a bowl. Add in 4 tablespoons water. Give it a mix and let this mixture rest for around 15 to 20 minutes or till it thickens. Now in a large bowl, we'll add 3 tablespoons oil, 1/4 cup jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon coffee powder, and we'll give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Now we'll add half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and the flax gel that we had prepared earlier. Now mix well till it's incorporated. And then using your hand, make a dough out of it. At this stage, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll add some chopped walnuts and mix them with the dough. We'll transfer this dough on a parchment paper lined baking pan. And now we'll just spread it a bit and give it a pat so that when we cut it, we can get that classic biscotti shape. Now we'll bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 minutes. Now this is perfectly baked and we'll let it cool completely. We'll place it on a chopping board and cut it into equal sized biscotti shapes. Place the biscottis on a parchment paper lined baking pan. Now we'll bake them again in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes or until they turn crisp. The biscottis are perfectly baked and now we'll let them cool completely. These biscottis are delicious, they are slightly sweet, super crunchy and make for a tasty snack for your chai or coffee. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these crunchy biscottis and let me know in the comment section below. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.